My name is Alinafe Chalunda and I'm 22 years old. I studied food production at Malawi Institute of Tourism. I'm a chef by trade. Alinafe is a very outgoing person. I love adventure. I love adventure, whether it's camping, sightseeing, traveling, or boat rides in the waters of Lake Malawi. Well, the central aspect of pageantry, mostly it's beauty. Yes, it's supposed to be beauty, but there's more to it. I joined Miss Malawi to use this as a platform to speak out for change for a better Malawi. I know we can all give back to the nation in different ways, and I choose to do so through pageantry. I strongly believe I'll make a great title holder. With the experience and skills I have in modeling, I'm able to engage with people from different backgrounds in an extremely outgoing way. And this will make my job easier while in office because I'll be able to reach out to all people very easy. What is contributing to high population growth is that there's a high birth rate. Yes, we're having babies at an early age. An example of this would be the abandoned teen pregnancies. And also, we're getting married at a very tender age. If I become Miss Malawi, I'll make sure I put an end to this. I will civic educate the nation, especially urban youth. Now it is becoming a norm to have a baby out of wedlock, which is wrong. This is adding to population growth, and we need to end child marriage the way Chief Teresa Kachindamoto is doing. You and me, we need to work together and end child marriage. Thank you.